So now for our last step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply concealer. So I did foundation, I actually did a little bit of lip, and the last step now is going to be right under the eyes. That's what I like to do, and I feel that it just keeps everything clean. So let's go ahead, I'm gonna apply our concealer, and I'm just blending a little bit in underneath the eye area, and you can also apply it anywhere that you want to get a little bit more coverage too. So let me take with the number 3 brush. This is a concealer brush. I love this brush because it makes everything just really smooth and easy to blend. Over here. I like to take it also into the inner corner and anywhere else that we want to. But just make sure that when you're applying your concealer that you use a little bit and then just continue to build. So that's going to be the key, because if not, it's going to end up looking really cakey. And I have that complaint from clients that will say, it just looks really heavy and I see a lot of my creases. Then that is probably because you're using way too much, or you're using a much thicker type of high coverage concealer. So just be aware of that. So for the last step that we're going to do, we're going to use the high definition loose powder. I love this powder because it's great for any skin tone, and it's also wonderful for just setting in your foundation and really like not having any residue. It's just super, super light, so it really kind of creates like a poreless finish. Like that. You can apply it also underneath the eyes, a concealer. Let's put a little bit of blush on her so she looks alive. There we go. Beautiful. Just a really soft look. I love our little blush trios because it's just so easy to carry with you. And you have a little, have a little contour, a little blush color, and also just blending them together. So there you go. She looks like she had a little bit of sunshine now. Pretty skin. I'm loving it. How's it feel?
Feels great. Very light.
Good.
Yeah, wonderful.
Perfect.
Looks great too.
Yes. So if you have this type of skin where you have, some little imperfections or freckles and things like that, then Perfecta Base is definitely going to be your friend. Try it out. Just use a little bit. And for more information on CARA Cosmetics, definitely go to caracosmetics.com. You can check out all of our different products. We also have other types of foundations too, but this tutorial today was for my favorite Perfecta Base.